Julie Jermolowski with the K Grant Group. We're here today at the Optima Camelview for a tour of a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and a den unit. I know you're just going to love it. Why don't you come on in? This is the main living area. And off the main living area, you have your kitchen. And your kitchen has all very high-end appliances with a gas range. One of the really cool things about this unit is this little half den. You could use it as an office, a little guest room. Let's check that out real quick. You'll notice that this room does have doors where you can close it off from the rest of your living area. But one of the things that's super cool is that you have a Murphy bed. So if you have guests coming in that are spending the night, you have one more spot for them. And if you want to use this as your own personal office, check this out. This is a gate leg table. It turns this into a complete office area. And you can close it off if you need to make private phone calls or just get a little peace and quiet from the rest of the family. Let's go check it out. You're seeing here a living space. All of this furniture can come with the unit, by the way. And then outside here, you have a gorgeous view of greenery, beautiful Class A buildings. You have a peekaboo view here. I'm going to step out of the way so you can see it. A Camelback. Do you love that? Super cool. This floor plan offers split bedrooms, which is ideal for a family. In this first bedroom, which is the smaller of the bedrooms, you do have a full closet and a view of the patio. And the guest powder room is right here with a shower bathtub that is perfectly appointed. Just gorgeous, isn't it? Let's head down the hall to the master suite, which you are going to love. Before we get to it though, I'm going to show you that this is where your washer and dryer are hidden. These are full-size LG washer and dryer and some storage right here. A master suite shower, which is stunning, isn't it? Just really beautiful. And a little bit of storage, double sinks. Nice and spacious. And then look at this master. Are you not awed? I am. I love the view. To the left you have Camelback, and to the right you have the McDowells. Can you imagine laying in bed and just soaking all this in? Fabulous. And then you have the perfect walk-in closet. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. Again, I'm Julie Jermolowski with the K Grant Group. My contact information is at the bottom of the screen. Feel free to give me a call with any questions. Thank you.